Welcome, everyone, to our podcast. Today, we're excited to talk about traveling and dream destinations. I'm Ada, and with me is Jake. How are you today?
Hi, Ada. I'm great, thanks. Traveling is always a fun topic. Today, we'll share some useful phrases to help with travel conversations and talk about places many dream to visit.
That's right. Knowing travel vocabulary is really important if you want to explore new countries and connect with people. Plus, talking about your dream destination can inspire others.
Let's start with some key vocabulary. Words like itinerary, landmark, and passport come up a lot. For example, an itinerary is your planned route or schedule during your trip.
A landmark is a famous or important place you visit, like the Eiffel Tower in Paris. And your passport is the document you need to travel internationally.
You might also hear phrases like book a flight and check in at the airport. These are useful when making travel plans or talking about your trip.
Exactly. And don't forget phrases like off the beaten path, which means visiting places less known by tourists but often very interesting.
Good point. When talking about your destination, you could say, I'm looking forward to exploring the local culture and trying new foods. That sounds more natural.
Speaking of culture, understanding some common expressions helps. For example, to catch a flight means to get on a plane at a certain time.
And to miss a flight means arriving too late to get on the plane. These phrases are very important so you don't miss your travel plans.
Many learners confuse similar words like trip and tour. A trip is a general journey, while a tour usually means visiting several places with a guide.
Also, people sometimes mix up leave and depart. Both mean to go away, but depart is more formal and often used in timetables or announcements.
A helpful tip is to listen carefully to native speakers and practice repeating phrases. This improves pronunciation and helps remember new words faster.
And don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you don't understand something while traveling. Saying, "Could you please repeat that?" works very well.
Exactly. Traveling also involves understanding body language, like a smile or a nod, which can mean agreement or friendliness even if you don't know the language well.
Practical example. Imagine you're at the airport and you want to ask where the check-in counter is. You could say, "Excuse me, where's the check-in desk?" Simple and clear.
Right. And learning idioms related to travel can be fun too. For example, hit the road means to start a trip, and off the beaten path means somewhere less common to visit.
Another thing to remember is pronunciation. Words like itinerary can be tricky. It's pronounced itin-a-rare-e, so practicing helps a lot to sound natural.
Building your travel vocabulary will make you more confident. Try to learn a few new words every week and use them when talking about your trips or dreams.
To summarize, remember key travel words, use helpful phrases, and practice pronunciation. These steps will improve your listening and speaking in travel situations.
We hope this conversation inspired you to think about your dream destination and to practice English with travel topics. Keep practicing and have fun learning.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and share our podcast. Safe travels, and see you next time. Goodbye.